What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Thai Talk, and today we're going to be talking about cleaning the burnt marks off of a pipe. So let's have a look at what I've got then. Today this just came in, the Sun Exhaust Stainless Tube Cleaner, and of course to make it sound extra dangerous they've put on the box industrial use only. So I don't know if that's correct or whether it just makes it sound really strong. It shows what we've got here. Got one bottle, some gloves, something, and some pads. And then of course we've got the instructions here. The seller of this kit actually explained to me in English how to use it. It's super easy. I watched a video, as many of us have when we thought we found something amazing, and it showed a guy with a pipe very much like this. He used this stuff and literally without any effort just wiping it off, wiping that burnt mark off. Now of course some people do like that look on the pipes, but for this one I'm gonna get it cleaned up and I want to test this stuff out. This pipe I actually bought used condition off a friend of mine, and as you can see it's gonna be a ridiculously loud pipe. This is gonna be for a 50mm 90cc water cooled drag racing bike, so it doesn't matter that it's gonna be mad loud. Okay, so I guess you're gonna want to see what's inside the box, so let's get this out of the way. So we got our pads, we got our pads. Here's the stuff. As you can see, I haven't opened this yet. This is totally new to me as well. Like, you guys are coming along with me on this journey. It's still in the packaging. I've not tested this. So there's the stuff. What else have we got? Aha, the thing. I wonder what this might be for. I think it's, you know, you put it on here and then it's not going to spill out everywhere. Because it's industrial use only, who knows what's inside. And there's our gloves. So if you just want to give me a minute, I'm going to put the gloves on and then we are going to give this a test. Now usually I'm not a big fan of gloves for a few reasons, but with this stuff it does say for industrial use only. Okay, got my gloves on, got my pads, 2 of them. Now let's get this open. Well, I probably should have opened this before I put the gloves on. Okay. The Sun Exhaust Stainless Tube Cleaner, 280ml. Okay. Kind of interested to give it a sniff. Well, it smells kind of interesting. What the? It's just, what the? Okay, so I got no idea what this thing is for. I thought it would be to, like, so you can put like a small amount on at a time, but I have no idea what that's for. Anyway, here we go. We're gonna tip a little. Oh, let's try and get that. Okay, so that's soaked up into the cloth. Now, let's see how good this stuff is. Holy sh! Wow, it really is as good as it was in there. Wow. Wow, that is amazing. Holy sh! What the hell is this stuff? Look at that. Well, I am impressed. I am very impressed. My God, that is amazing. Let's try this area, shall we? Okay, gonna get some fresh pouring going on. There we go. Okay, so on the more sort of burnt area, as we get up to the flange here, it doesn't seem to do quite such a good job. Maybe the pad is just too dirty. So let's try flipping it. Oh. Wow. Okay, let's flip this. Yeah, I mean, look at this, just wiping off. What is this chemical? I think we should try, guys, I think we should try and get this area cleaner. So I'm gonna go with the fresh pad. Okay, so we got a fresh pad now. Wow, I'm just so impressed with this. It worked exactly like it did in the advert. You know, sometimes you see something and you think, you know, wow, that's amazing. Look how good that is. You know, and you try it out and it's kind of rubbish. Like some of the CDIs that we get for our scooters. You think, wow, you know, $5, like, it's going to give me 10 horsepower. This actually works. As you can see, it's just as simple as wiping it. No effort required whatsoever. So, guys, this is it. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Check it out. It's much better. Now, of course, I do need to wipe off the residue. I have a microfiber towel at the ready. I'm thinking like I'm going to wipe it off and then it will just go back to normal again. Seems to be actually coming up cleaner. Well guys, there you have it. One clean ass pipe. So I'm glad you guys were able to be along with me on the journey that we just took in an uncharted territory. And what a result. What a fantastic result. So of course, like, comment, share and subscribe to Thai Talk. And of course, if you're interested in scooter parts, check out Thai Talk shop. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Got all kinds of Honda Dio parts. Get in touch. Okay, so thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.